Hi friends, it's Daphne, your Smart Shopper. Okay, so today we were talking about home organization, and I have a professional right here. This is Rachel. She's the happy home organizer. This is what she does for a living. This is her business. She lives, eats, and breathes it. So we're gonna do one thing. Everybody has this in their home. It's called a clutter drawer. It's one of those drawers when you get home, you don't know what to do with it, so you just throw it in the drawer, right? So you said, no, Daphne. This is not how you can do it. So you've got some general rules. Now you said this drawer is gonna take at least 20 minutes, but we're not gonna waste your time for 20 minutes. You're gonna give me some general rules on how to organize this. So tell me, what do we do?
Here we go, everything comes out.
Okay, so everything has to come out. So we'll just take out a section, right? So just take out a section for the sake of the video. So we've got a section right here. Okay, what else do we have?
When everything comes out, then it's your chance to clean and dust and get in there.
Okay.
And then you're going to be sorting. Step one in decluttering is sorting. Like with like, you make your categories. So the keys with keys, and the scotch tape with the scotch tape, and the lighters, and all your categories.
So they will all go in like little cubbies.
Yep, make your categories.
You have your flashlights right here.
While you're doing this, you throw out the garbage.
Okay.
I don't even know if you need those peanuts, any receipts that are old.
Don't need any of that stuff.
Throw out your garbage.
Okay, so you definitely categorize everything. And if you're looking for these awesome little bins, I picked them up at the 99-cent only store for 99 cents. So you got to get these little organizer
You need
trays.
drawer dividers. Drawer
Right.
dividers are a must. Without drawer dividers, things are loosey-goosey. They're sliding everywhere and you get mishmash.
Okay.
This is garbage. Living with garbage.
Right,
Goodbye.
garbage. Okay.
So that's
What
it. So you declutter, you take everything out, you clean, you make your categories, you sort, you get your bins, your drawer dividers, you put them in, and the drawer dividers bring instant order.
Okay.
Instant order.
So you know where everything is, and I'll know that my keys no longer go in the drawer. They go in the bin in the drawer.
Home for every item. Where does it live?
Okay, love it. Okay, so it's Rachel. She's with Happy Home Organizers, and I'll have before and after pictures posted on my blog. Just head to smartshopperdaphne.com. I always appreciate your time, and don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.